Hey everyone, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. I know it's been a while since I posted a video here on my English channel and I am so sorry guys. I'm gonna try to start posting videos here more often. But anyways, for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how to get rid of blackheads overnight. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. And before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also make sure to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Before we start getting rid of our blackheads, you want to make sure your pores are nice and open. So to open them up, you're going to grab a towel and you're going to damp it in warm water. You're going to rub the towel against your face, and dirt, oil, bacteria or whatever is going to be easier to get rid of. For this next hack, you're going to need some baking soda and toothpaste. You want to make sure you're using white toothpaste because the minty green ones and blue ones can actually irritate your skin. So using a little container, I'm just going to mix up the baking soda and toothpaste until we get like a thick consistency. Then using a toothbrush, I'm going to apply this into my face doing circular motions for about 30 or 40 seconds. So once you're done scrubbing your face, you want to make sure you rinse it off using warm water. For this next hack, we're going to need egg whites. So here's another mini hack to get rid of the yolk. You can actually use a water bottle to separate it. Then we're going to take some toilet paper and separate one of the tiny layers it has. And we're going to place this against our face using a brush dampened in the egg white. We're going to do this a couple times until we build up a thick layer. And then we're just going to let it sit on our face. Eggs are really good for your skin because they have a lot of nutrients that help you get rid of excess oils and decrease the size of pores. So once this little patch we created has dried up completely, we're going to take it off and blackheads are gone. For this next hack, you're going to need some plastic dental floss and you're going to start scraping your face or whatever areas you have blackheads on with it. You want to make sure you're gentle, but you're also applying enough pressure so that dirt actually comes out of your face. It's kind of disgusting because right away you start noticing that you have like little white dirt come off, but those are the blackheads that are getting out of your face. This next hack is not really a hack, it's just like a, I don't know, like information that you might find handy, and it's that you can actually go to stores, beauty stores, drugstores, whatever, and buy charcoal masks. Charcoal is really good for your face because it helps you get rid of the excess oils and dirt that accumulates in pores, and this is actually what causes blackheads. So you're going to want to go ahead and follow the instructions that whatever mask you bought says. Apply it once a week or so, and not only will you get rid of the blackheads, but you'll also prevent them. For hack number 5, we're going to be scrubbing our face with things I'm pretty sure everyone has in their home. So we're going to mix up a spoonful of honey and half a spoon of cinnamon. Honey is kind of like a natural antibiotic, and cinnamon works like a blood stimulator, so it activates circulation and brings oxygen to the skin surface, helping us get rid of all the dirt that is clogged up in our pores and might be causing blackheads. For this next hack, you're going to want to change your pillowcase at least once a week. Pillowcases usually have bacterial buildup on them because sometimes we drool in our pillows, or I don't know, we lay on our pillows and our faces are dirty. So you're going to want to make sure you change it frequently. So once you're done cleaning up your pores, you want to make sure you close them. And to do this, you're going to grab an ice cube and you're going to rub it against your face just for a few seconds really, because you obviously don't want to burn your face. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also make sure to follow me on all my social media. I'm going to be linking them in the description box. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!